We are going to be studying the evolution of candy using a phylogenetic tree. Phylogenetics is the study of evolutionary development and the relationship among individuals or groups of organisms. We began by our first branching off of hard candy. The hard candy is known as the outgroup. An outgroup is a branch of lineage that falls outside of the clade that is being studied. Our original candy ancestor that branches off into our rooted tree is known as chocolate. Chocolate is going to be our main focal point of study. As the chocolate was evolving through time, it first branched off into two different clades. Clades arise from the word cladiogenesis. This is where one parent species splits off into two smaller, more distinct species. Our two branches are crunchy chocolate and nougat-filled chocolate. We are going to examine the internal nodes of the crunchy chocolate. As evolution persisted, the crunchy chocolate soon branched off into smaller clades. I decided to branch the crunchy chocolate off into such a way that easily demonstrated the different OTUs. OTUs represent the operational taxonomic units. These units are the different genes and alleles found in a species. The first set of OTUs that can be seen in the crunchy chocolate is the presence of a wafer cookie. Here we can see that Butterfinger lacks a wafer cookie and was the first species to branch off. As evolution continues up the second internal node, we come to our last set of OTUs. This internal node deals with the presence of caramel. The crunch bar branched off due to the lack of caramel, and this resulted in a sister group between Baby Ruth and Twix. Even though all of the crunchy chocolates have diverged off into their own separate groups, they share a most recent common ancestor from which they were all evolved from. Their most recent common ancestor is the crunchy chocolate bar. We will now examine the evolution of the nougat-filled chocolate. As seen with the crunchy chocolate, I broke down the nougat-filled chocolate internal nodes based on their OTUs. Our first internal node split that we observe is the presence of caramel. The Three Musketeers was the first nougat-filled chocolate to branch off due to its lack of caramel filling. As evolution continues, we come upon our next internal node. This node represents the presence of peanuts. This caused Milky Way and Milky Way Midnight to branch off from Snickers due to their lack of peanuts and create a sister group amongst themselves. The most recent common ancestor of all the nougat-filled chocolates was the original nougat-filled chocolate bar. We can observe anagenesis occurring through our phylogenetic tree. Anagenesis occurs when changes accumulate in a population to the point where the ancestral species is no longer found in the population, causing it to effectively go extinct. With this mechanism, the newly evolved species completely override the ancestral species. This is observed for the chocolate evolution. As evolution persisted over time, we no longer see just a regular chocolate bar. The newer chocolate all consist of fillings, crunch, nuts. This change over time has resulted in the original chocolate bar to be obsolete.